Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss calculating of H-pi model parameter using H parameters. H parameter model of the transistor as shown in the figure over here. If you observe, the H-pi model parameter is having both the resistive components as well as the junction capacitor components. And we have already discussed that the H-pi parameter is used for both the high frequency analysis as well as the low frequency analysis. If you want to further know about the representation of H-pi model parameter, you please verify my previous video. I have submitted the video link in my description box. Now come to the representation. Here we are going to be deriving the H-pi parameter using H parameters. It simply represents that we are going to be using the low frequency parameters in order to derive the H-pi model. It means we are going to be deriving the resistive components by using the H parameters such as RBB dash, RB dash E, RB dash C and the RCE are derived by using the H parameters named as HIE, HFE, HRE and HOE. Now to get into the things, we are going to be, for our convenience, we are going to be divide the corresponding H-pi parameters into the two groups. Simply we can say that RBB dash and RB dash E are derived by making the output as short circuit. RB dash C and RCE are derived by using the input as open circuit. Now we are going to the corresponding concept how to get these components. Let's move to derive. The first one is the RB dash E. First one is RB dash E. To derive this one, we are making VCE is equal to 0. And the corresponding modified circuit of the H-pi model will be, it is having RB dash, RBB dash followed by a RB dash E, RCE and a dependent current source GMVB dash E followed by a parallel resistance RCE. But as per our representation, we consider VCE is equal to 0. It means we are making the output as a short circuited over here. We are making the VCE equal to 0. This is the RB dash C. The current flowing here is the IB. The voltage across this particular point is VBE and the voltage across the internal base terminal and emitter is VB dash E. V dash. Now the current flowing at the input circuitry, we already come to know that the current flowing in the input circuitry is the IB, and this IB is going to be possible to flow in two paths. Some amount of current will be get flow in the RB dash E and the remaining current is going to flow in the RB dash C. But based on the typical values, RB dash C is much greater than the RB dash E, so maximum current will be get flow, maximum IB flow through RB dash E. So that based on this we calculate the VB dash E equal to IB into RB dash E. Let's consider this the equation number 1. Similarly, the current, similarly, if you observe at the output circuitry, RCE is in parallel with the short circuit over here, then the effective resistance value is going to be 0. Then the current IC is going to be flow over here, and this IC is going to be get divided into the two branches. Some amount of current flow in the RB dash C, and the remaining is going to be appear as the GM VB dash E. So we can write this as IC equal to GM VB dash E. Let's consider this the equation number 2. Now substitute 1 in 2, we get IC equal to GM into IB into RB dash E. Now we need to make sure that on one side we are going to be keeping the H-pi model parameters, and another side we are going to be move the input and the output variables of the circuitry. So that just take the IB towards the, just take now move IB towards the left side of the left side, then we are going to be observe IC by IB equal to GM into RB dash E. Now in order to further solve this one, please make sure that what is the numerator in the every equation. The numerator is going to depend about the IC. So from the H parameters, we can write the IC is equal to HFE IB plus HOE VCE, and in order to solve the above condition, we are making that we are making VCE equal to 0, and making the VCE equal to 0, then IC equal to HFE IB, it represents IC by IB is equal to HFE. Number it as the equation 4. Substitute 4 in 3, we get HFE equal to GM into RB dash E. Then we can write RB dash E is equal to HFE by GM. This is the corresponding the resistance between the internal base terminal and the emitter component. Similarly, we can formulate this as a conductive element as GB dash E as GM by HFE. Okay. Thank you. And we are going to be solve the remaining things in the next given videos. Thank you.